Golf swing training aid. It's one of those swing correcting armbands. Company sent me this product to check it out, make a video for it, so let's do it. They did a great job on the packaging, and you can see that right here or over here. So this training aid is super lightweight. It weighs just a couple of ounces. It can be easily folded up and put into your pocket, or more likely into your golf bag. As well as you can fold this thing up, it'll fit in any of the pockets on my bag. It's actually made much better than I thought it would be. The elastic nylon fabric material feels pretty durable. The stitching seems pretty good on it. I've been wrenching on it for a while to stretch it out, and it seems like it's going to hold up fine. But they attached the arm cuff portion. They did a good job on that. Looks like it's folded over and stitched all through here, and it's on there pretty good. The elastic cuff seems like a good size to accommodate most people, you know, with arms of different sizes, and it definitely pops back into shape after getting stretched out. So I'm a 15 handicap. I'm not a pro at all, and I just enjoy the game. I could hit buckets on the range all day long. I'm just one of those guys. The idea behind this armband is to make sure that you get your trailing arm into the right position on the way back, on your backswing, and through the ball to help you build up your muscle memory so you can do it out in the course. Here's a couple things I noticed when I was trying this out. First off, I am 6'2", 240. I've got this thing pretty stretched out. I don't think that there are different sizes on this, but there's definitely some room for play to fit from a small person to a relatively big person like myself. So you want the band above where your elbows normally are. So you get into place, put your arm through here. When I first used this, I put this thing down to my side like this, and I noticed that when I swung and come back, I could feel the restriction right here holding my elbow to my side, my trailing elbow. But when I came through, I could feel it restricting over here. Now I've got a kind of a smoother shirt on, and it's spinning with it a little bit. But what I noticed was if I actually put this band, so I'm kind of facing out this way rather than straight to my side, I can pull the club back and I feel the restriction a lot more. But as I come through the ball, there's less restriction, because if you've got this thing over here on your side, like way over here, and you come through the ball, you can feel it pulling back on you, put it that way. If you get one of these and you try it out, the first thing I would do is practice some chip shots with it, then maybe work your way up to some pitch shots, some half swings, and then eventually all the way to a full swing. Is this for everyone? I don't know. You want to talk to a pro, make sure you got all your ducks in a row and you're swinging the club the right way. When I started golfing, I didn't take any lessons, and I had played baseball my whole life, and I'm used to getting the elbow up with baseball. I was hitting a lot of slices, but I realized when I got my elbow tucked in, it helped me draw the ball a lot better. So I'm conscious now of keeping my elbow tucked into my side through impact, and this is going to help me do that. So there you go. I really like this one. This is something that you can use in the backyard to help you build muscle memory. It's not so odd looking that I feel uncomfortable using it at the range. It folds up small enough to fit into your pocket, so you could use it anywhere really at work, and obviously fits right in the old golf bag. Very nice.